You finally did the math. You made the decision to step out of the matrix and take control of your financial energy by securing true digital property on decentralized networks. But here is the reality check. To hold that property safely, you need a private vault that HR, your bank manager, and the system can never touch. You want to take your digital property off the exchange and build that private vault, so you search for an app. But here is the biggest secret the Matrix doesn't want you to realize. Your assets do not live inside the app. They live on the blockchain. Apps like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Rabby are just windows you look through to see your property. The actual vault is the 12-word secret phrase you get when you sign up. Those 12 words are the master key to the universe. Since the apps are just windows, you can choose whichever one you like best. If you are exploring the massive Ethereum virtual machine networks, apps like MetaMask or Rabby are the industry standard. If you are diving into high-speed specific ecosystems, you want a native window like Phantom or Soulflare. And here is the craziest part: even centralized exchanges like Binance, OKX, and Bitget now have built-in Web3 wallets hidden inside their apps. You can use their window without giving them your keys. Let's build it right now. Step 1. Download a reputable browser extension. Let's use Rabby for this example. Click Create New Vault. The screen is now going to show you 12 random words. Stop everything. Write these down on physical paper. Do not screenshot it. Do not put it in your cloud drive. If you lose this paper, there is no customer service desk. Your assets are gone forever. Write it down, verify the words on the next screen, and boom, the padlock clicks shut. You are officially off the grid. Now, let me show you a magic trick. Let's say your computer crashes and you lose the Rabby app. Are your assets gone? No. You just grab your phone, download the OKX Web3 wallet or Trust Wallet, click Import Existing Vault, type in those same 12 words, and your property magically appears on your screen. One seed phrase rules them all. Now that you hold the master key, your vault is ready. Hit subscribe, because I am showing you exactly how to fill this vault with free digital property using networks that pay you for your time. Don't miss out, because you might never get this opportunity again.